Hello everyone, my name is Crovan and today I'm going to be watching part 2 of Theodore Tugboat, Theodore's Ocean Adventure. So everyone, this is part 2 of Theodore Tugboat, Theodore's Ocean Adventure.
Theodore hauled some of the heavy chunks of ice.
So in the last part, Rebecca went out to find an iceberg, but then she got trapped, and now it's up to Theodore to save her.
Was making terrible creaking sounds all around Rebecca.
Uh-oh, that ain't good.
It was now or never.
It's now or never, Theodore. It's now or never.
His engine made his toughest tugging face and roared straight into the ice.
Please work, please work. Yes, it's working. The iceberg's moving. Keep going, Theodore. I know you can do it.
All the ice on Theodore's deck
Yes.
made him heavy.
Good job, Theodore. Good job.
Pushed the ice away.
Hurry, Rebecca. Back up. Now. Hurry.
Rebecca backed up just as fast as she could.
Phew. That was close. If it weren't for Theodore, Rebecca would have been a goner.
All around as the enormous blocks of ice bobbed in the ocean. And then
The water's bubbling.
still again, still and silent.
Good job, Theodore. You saved Rebecca's life.
Theodore, said Rebecca at last, I don't know how you did it, but thank you. Theodore was
What are friends for, Rebecca? Friends always look out for each other.
I didn't think I knew how to do it. But you did, said Rebecca.
Yep, you did a good job, Theodore. I'm very proud of you.
Yes,
You are a brave tugboat. Theodore, you are very
you
brave.
did. Theodore and Rebecca set off for home in the gathering dark. Would you like me to lead the way home? Asked Rebecca.
I think Theodore knows his way around, Rebecca.
There now.
Like following the stars.
All we have to do is follow the stars.
Yep, just follow the stars and it'll lead you straight home.
All
Yep.
the way home.
Yep, they follow the stars home. That was a good story.
Yes, I didn't think that I knew enough about being a harbor master when I first came here. Well,
Yep, you were nervous at first, but I think you know now.
about being out on the ocean.
Yep,
But
but we always gotta learn new
I think
things.
we've both done pretty well.
Yep, we all do.
Thanks for visiting us here in the big harbor.
You're
We'll see you all
welcome.
again next time.
I'll see you next time. See ya, Harbor Master.
Oh no, where's my
Oh.
special whistle?
It's in your pocket, Harbor Master.
I knew that.
Yep. Goodbye, Harbor Master. I'll see you next time. Well, everyone, that was Theodore Tugboat, Theodore's Ocean Adventure. And before I go, I have some announcements to make. Like, after this, we will be doing The Adventure Begins Part 2 and 3. And then, after that, we'll be doing some San Juan episodes. And then, hopefully, if we can, we'll get around getting part 2 of Feyblade Burst, episode 28. Well, everyone, that's it for today. I'll see you all later. Goodbye.